we've got data to die for. The commercial world would die for some of our data. The
Yeah.
problem is, one, and as you said, Jacob, it's not accessible.
Mm.
It's not in a format that's accessible. But two, when it is accessible, it's not being looked after. So it's invariably rubbish
Yeah.
and unreliable. The classic example of that is the only time we really know who's living in our homes is when that person first takes a tenancy. After that, we've got no idea. We've got absolutely no idea. You know, there are some who do a bit of a customer census, etc. But yeah, it's the basics. We don't even know who's living in
Yeah.
our home, and even when we do, we've not looked after the data. So in some cases, when
Mhm.
you run reports, it says that, you know, 3 of the occupants are more than 150 years old. Now I know living in social housing, we look after people really well, but you know, it doesn't extend life expectancy quite that much. The first thing I would say is make sure your data has been cleansed and make sure that
Mhm.
what you're running through AI is absolutely reliable in terms of the data feeds that are going in, because AI will help to some degree to identify some of the anomalies,
Mm.
but in some cases they may provide you with a perverse result or recommendation which could lead you down a bit of a cul-de-sac.